Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we will talk about 2024-25 visa process overhaul, key changes to US visa interviews and embassy procedures. In 2024, significant changes to the US visa process are set to reshape how applicants navigate the system. The elimination of traditional visa interviews for many applicants aims to streamline procedures and reduce wait times at US embassies and consulates. This video will highlight the key updates in the visa process and what they mean for prospective travelers and immigrants. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Exciting changes in the US visa process for 2024-25, no more visa interviews. As we look forward to 2024, an exciting development is set to transform the experience for those eager to travel to the United States: the elimination of visa interviews for applicants processed through the National Visa Center. This change is poised to significantly streamline the visa application process, making it more efficient and less stressful for applicants. A historical challenge. In the past, applying for a US visa involved a cumbersome series of steps, including filling out forms, submitting documentation, and scheduling a visa interview at a US embassy. This multi-step process often resulted in long waiting times, with applicants facing delays that could stretch from weeks to months. The anxiety associated with waiting for an interview, along with the uncertainty of potential refusals, added to the stress many experienced. A new era begins. Under the new policy, the NVC will no longer require applicants to schedule a visa interview for approval. Instead, decisions will be based on the documents and information submitted during the application process. This fundamental shift is expected to dramatically reduce waiting times, allowing applicants to obtain their visas more swiftly and efficiently. By streamlining procedures, the NVC aims to enhance the overall applicant experience, making the process of traveling to the United States significantly less daunting. Exceptions and considerations. While the elimination of mandatory interviews represents a major advancement, it is crucial to note that US embassies retain the authority to require interviews in certain circumstances. For instance, if an embassy needs additional information or identifies potential concerns with an application, applicants may still be asked to appear for an interview. This measure ensures that visa integrity and security are upheld, even in a more streamlined process. Therefore, applicants should remain vigilant and ensure that all submitted documents are accurate and complete, as discrepancies can lead to visa refusals. The role of US embassies. Despite the changes implemented by the NVC, US embassies will continue to play a critical role in the visa application process. They maintain the discretion to conduct interviews whenever deemed necessary, particularly for applications involving criminal convictions, security issues, or other factors that require closer scrutiny. This oversight is vital in ensuring that all applicants meet the legal and security requirements for visa approval. Improvements in green card processing. In conjunction with these changes, the Department of State has announced enhancements in green card application processing times. Applicants can now expect to receive their green cards much faster than before, effectively reducing the long wait times that have historically plagued the system. This acceleration not only benefits those seeking permanent residency, but also facilitates quicker family reunifications and allows immigrants to integrate into American society more seamlessly. Benefits of the new process. The elimination of visa interviews by the NVC brings several significant advantages. Primarily, it will reduce overall processing times, allowing applicants to receive their visas faster, thereby enabling smoother travel plans with less uncertainty. Furthermore, this change is expected to alleviate the workload of US embassies, which have faced significant backlogs in recent years. By reducing the number of interviews, embassies can redirect their resources toward handling more complex cases and other consular services. Additionally, waiting for a visa interview can be a stressful experience, contributing to applicants' anxiety. By removing the interview requirement for many cases, the NVC aims to make the visa application process more straightforward and less intimidating. Preparing for a successful application. To maximize the chances of a successful visa application, applicants must provide accurate and complete information in all forms and documents submitted to the NVC. Even though interviews will be less common, applicants should remain prepared in case one is required. This includes being familiar with their travel purposes, itinerary, and financial situation. Adequate preparation can significantly influence the outcome of the application process. Conclusion: the elimination of visa interviews by the NVC marks a significant improvement in the US visa application process. While US embassies retain the authority to require interviews in certain cases, the overall impact of this change will result in reduced waiting times, decreased applicant anxiety, and a more streamlined process. By providing accurate information and remaining patient, applicants can navigate this new landscape more effectively, paving the way for a smoother journey to the United States in 2024. The 2024 overhaul of the U.S. visa process marks an important shift toward greater efficiency and accessibility. By removing traditional visa interviews for many applicants, the U.S. aims to simplify the immigration journey. Staying informed about these changes will be essential for anyone planning to visit or move to the United States. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration News. We hope you are doing great. In this video, we will talk about 2024-25 visa process, overall key changes to US visa interviews and embassy procedures. In 2024, a significant change in the US visa application process is set to streamline the experience for those eager to travel to the United States. The elimination of mandatory visa interviews for applicants processed through the National Visa Center. This video helps to enhance the efficiency for the visa application process, reducing the stress and the waiting times that have historically burdened applicants. Historically, applying for a US visa involved a multi-step process that included completing forms, submitting documentation, and scheduling an interview at a US embassy. This often leads to a lengthy waiting periods, with applicants experiencing delays or several weeks of even months. The anxiety associated with waiting for an interview and the uncertainty of potential refusals contributed to the overall stress of the application process. With the new policy, the embassy will no longer require applicants to schedule a visa interview for approval. Instead, decision will be based solely on the documentation and information submitted during the application process. This fundamental shift is expected to significantly reduce waiting times, allowing applicants to obtain their visas more swiftly and efficiently by simplifying the procedures. The embassy aims to create a more favorable applicant experience, making travel to the United States less daunting. While this change is a major advancement, it is essential to note that US embassies retain the authority to require interviews in specific circumstances. For example, if an embassy needs additional information or identifies concerns regarding an application, an interview may still be requested. This measures ensures that visa integrity and security are maintained even within a streamlined process. Therefore, applicants should be diligent in providing accurate and complete information throughout their application, as discrepancies can lead to refusals. US embassies will continue to play a crucial role in the visa process, exercising discretion to conduct interviews when necessary, particularly in cases involving criminal convention, security issues, or other factors requiring closer scrutiny. This oversight is vital to ensuring that applicants meet all legal and security requirements. In addition to the changes in the visa interviews process, the Department of State has announced improvements in a green card application processing times, allowing applicants to receive their green cards much more quickly. This acceleration benefits those seeking permanent residency, facilitates family reunification, and allows immigrants to integrate into American society more rapidly. Overall, the elimination of visa interviews by the embassy represents a significant improvement in the US visa application process. While interviews may still be required in some cases, the reduction in waiting times and applicant anxiety creates a more streamlined experience. By providing accurate information and being prepared for potential interviews, applicants can effectively navigate this new landscape, making their journey to the United States smoother in 2024.